Welcome. This experiment is designed to advance our understanding of evolution. By participating, you help us gather data needed to create more accurate simulations. Do you consent?
Okay, I guess we're just going. I didn't even have audio going for the beginning bit. I thought it would just bring me to a loading screen, but it looks like it's already talking to us. Yes, I give you my consent.
Thank you.
Do to me what you wish. Oh my god, we're going into the Matrix. Wow, there it is. This is more what I was expecting. Is this just the main menu? Or are we still in a cutscene? Oh, I gotta click on it. It's like, you idiot. What is that? Wait, so... Oh wait, this is a clicker game.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
You've collected some entropy. Use entropy to buy evolution upgrades. Okay. Oh. Okay, so... okay, so yeah, welcome to Cell to Singularity. This is something I'd actually never even heard of before. It's totally free to play if you guys want to try it, just there on the Steam page. But I thought it looked super interesting. Now this is an early access game, but essentially the description of it is it's the epic story of evolution, technology, humanity, and dinosaurs, all ours to tap. And that's it, that's the whole description. So I don't really know exactly what we have in stock. Like, I honestly had no idea. Oh, I can spin the planet. Honestly had no idea that this was even a cookie clicker sort of game like this. But I just thought it looked like something fun to try out, so let's click on this thing that's been begging me to click on. We've got to move, click and drag, or use the arrow keys. Okay, I see. We've got two little pools of white glowing orbs up here. So let's see, Tech Tree of Life. We've got the home star, which is the sun. Now we've got planet Earth with 8 entropy. So I can make planet Earth? Tap again to buy for 8 entropy. Boom, we've just put water on the planet. You can even see... It looks like, well actually I might just be crazy, but I was gonna say this looks like it could be Mexico and then this would be North America and that could come down to like Florida and all that sort of stuff, but I have no idea. Maybe I'm just grasping at straws right now. So let's buy some of that delicious primordial soup. Actually, before we do that, let's go back again and see, does that change anything? No, we still have just a flaming ball of gas. Beautiful. Oh wait, is it changing? No, I think it was just lighting was shifting. Okay, so go back to Tech Tree. Let's buy a moon for this place. Does that change anything? The moon is born when a Mars-sized object hits the young Earth. So far this feels like it's going to be fairly accurate to history based on our current understanding of science, so it'll be really interesting to see how this kind of plays out. Oh look, we've got a little moon right there. So somewhere down there, there is some primordial soup. Ooh, and now we get 5 entropy per click? That's pretty swanky, I like it. So back to Tech Tree, let's keep buying stuff. We'll get some nucleotides for that jump. And now we can save up for DNA and RNA, the building blocks of life, baby. Let's go. Okay, so go back. And we're just gonna kind of click here for a minute. Hopefully the noise of me just spamming these buttons isn't enough to like totally distract you from what I'm saying right now. But long story short, I do have an extreme interest in science, which I think most Jurassic Park fans do. And as a matter of fact, I'm actually going to college right now for marine biology. That could change to sort of like ecology or something. I'm not entirely sure at the moment. But long story short, I'm just trying to say that in case you weren't aware, this is another sort of interest of mine that I do have. So if you guys like stuff like this, then just let me know and we can definitely expand out into other games like this on the channel besides just purely Jurassic Park related content. So it all really just comes down to whether you guys like the video or not. So if you do like the video, make sure to leave a comment saying that you do like this and would even want to maybe see this turned into a series, because based on how in-depth it looks like this is going to be, I don't think we're going to be able to do everything just today. But as well as hitting that like button, that would also be very beneficial in letting me know that you guys would like to see more of this. So that looks like we've got plenty of entropy now that I'm done rambling, and we can continue building on. Amino acids are the building blocks of life. Okay, beautiful. So, oh, we can upgrade them too. Alright, so look at that. We've got the whole molecular compound and everything right there. That's pretty sweet. Every life you buy earns more background entropy production. Okay, yeah, we've kind of figured that so far. So is this like our primordial soup or whatever it said we had a moment ago? And this is just all the little compounds and molecules and all that crazy jazz floating around in it, and eventually they'll start to react to one another and have chemical reactions and bring life about? Is that what's going on here? I could be totally wrong. Also, I should probably mention, I'm only just at the start. I'm just buying things that I don't even realize what I've bought. Oh, we can buy the plasma membrane. I think we just bought proteins a second ago too. God, this is getting so complicated so fast. Okay, but as I was saying a second ago, I think that I probably should just throw this out there. I'm only at the very beginning of my whole scientific career, so please don't get on my back for getting some things wrong and looking like a total idiot if you think I should know some things, because I'm only just starting. I'm just doing basics at the moment, but I'll pretend like I know what I'm talking about. Life created, DNA, there you have it, folks. Mr. DNA, where'd you come from? Beautiful. Okay, so now is that gonna be floating around in our soup? Yes, it is. What is this here? I totally forgot what we just bought. Oh, I just click on that and it gives us entropy. Oh look, we're covered in water now. How beautiful. So I guess it was slowly shifting that whole time and I just didn't notice it before. Okay, so it looks like we can keep buying more DNA, just throwing that all about. Oh, and we're poor now. Beautiful. Love to see it. And we can also buy a ton of amino acids, which I think would be very important, because all of these things are... Oh wow, look at that. That one gave us 924 entropy. Now we can start getting into prokaryotic cells, and I'm guessing eukaryotic cells are going to be the next thing or something? Beginnings, achievement unlocked. The first signs of life bubble up in the primordial soup. Sis, this isn't going to be just a full-on cookie clicker the entire time. Prokaryotic cell created. How beautiful. We will eventually be able to get into a 3D environment, based off what I've seen in the trailer. At least I've never played this before, but from how the trailer makes it look, we will eventually be able to actually go into the ecosystem and look at the animals in like a 3D environment and like take photos of them and everything. So don't worry, if this isn't your sort of game, it will be changing, I think. Oh, so these are all of our achievements? Oh, I click on that, and what does that do? Just gives me money. Oh, it gave us a lot of money. Okay, so prokaryotes have high metabolic and growth rates, leading them to be not only the first true organisms on Earth, but also one of the most prolific. Alright, so come back to this. We're just gonna keep on spamming some amino acids until we're poor, and now we're gonna buy some DNAs until we're poor. And all the while we're gonna keep doing this too. And then we'll go ahead and buy one more prokaryotic cell, because I feel like they'll be pretty beneficial. Obviously, with most cookie clicker games, the more stuff you unlock, the more money that new unlock will give you. Okay, so this tech tree is very quickly becoming more and more complex, just like the big blue marble that is planet Earth. Look at her spinning around so magnificently. Our primordial soup is becoming very clustered at the moment, but let's make it more clustered. That sounds like a fun idea. Okay, so yeah, I may or may not have been gone longer than I meant to, and we're kind of rich now. Yeah, man, so I was gone a lot longer than I meant to be, but we're back. So let's say, whoa, it all just emerged. So bacterium. All right, we'll buy that because we can. And then we can buy some... Wait, do we want to buy viruses? I can see into your future game. You don't want viruses. Everything shuts down. Okay, we'll buy viruses. We got the nucleus. We got the mitochondria, you know, powerhouse of the cell. Yeah, the powerhouse. There it is. And we got mitosis. Whole cell turns into more cell, which turns into more cell, which turns into more cells. We got the eukaryotic cell. There it is. That's all it took, was the nucleus and mitochondria, huh? Oh, there it is. All right, I wonder when we'll have our first animal. This is exciting. So back to skill tree. We can get some cytoplasm. That's the... Ooh. Oh, sweet, man. We got some darminium? Awesome. So collect that. And we'll get some tissue. We'll get some filter feeding, because apparently that's a thing. Now we can... Oh, sponges. Wow, look at that. Wait. Over there. Okay, asexual reproduction. We'll grab that, because it's also at this, like, same level. But sponges. Isn't this, like, the first of the animal domains? The peripheral, right? Woo! Look at that. The one becomes the many. The first multicellular organisms emerge. Yes, let's go. I think that means we're actually going to be getting into the cool stuff now. Can we go to the ocean? Oh, look. Life created. The humble sponge. Our first life form. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh, I click. Will more pop up? Look at this, guys. We're in a 3D world. Whoa, oh, the drop off. Oh, that's cool. I want to see a whale emerge out of that at one point. Does that happen? Oh, I hope that happens. Alrighty, folks. Well, with that being the case, I think this looks like the perfect place to leave it off. It looks like we've just gotten to get into the actual, like, multicellular organisms. And so it won't be long until we get into all the super cool creatures that we know and love today. Who knows, maybe we even have to go through dinosaurs before we even get to stuff that we recognize, which I am totally fine with, by the way, because you guys know me. I love my dinosaurs. But with that being said, we're gonna have to leave it here. If you guys want to see more of this, then be sure to let me know down below. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.